it's Karen Burniston here with a project preview of our April 2024 Zoom class. With our Zoom classes, there is a die requirement, and in this case, 4 dies from our latest release. Now, your best value if you don't own any of those dies is to bundle them with your paper and pre-cuts. However, if you already own the dies, you can get paper and pre-cuts only. The pop-up we're featuring this month is our new Lorna label pop-up. We're going to make 2 different cards with it. The first one is going to be a top fold 5x5 card that's going to use that Lorna label along with our new baking borders. It's going to be this cute little Your Sweet card. I try to make the majority of the class cards out of the required dies, but sometimes I do need something extra, and so those would be pre-cut in your kit. So in this case, the Your Sweet and the Chick, those pieces will be pre-cut. For our second card, we're going to add some additional techniques. So it'll be a side fold card with a window in the front. There's an item in the window, that flamingo, but then as the card opens, the flamingo disappears. The Lorna inside has been doubled, and then it's just going to be a beachy happy birthday card. With Zoom classes, the kits are sold through participating stores, and you can find a list of those stores on our website, KarenBurniston.com. Go to the Events tab. So when you purchase a kit through the store, you're getting some bulk materials. And then 10 days before class, you will get an email from the store that has your very detailed PDF handouts as well as your prep work video. And then you take your required dies and your materials, you go watch that video with me, we prep our kits together, and then you're ready for class day. If you cannot make the live class or if you have to leave early, it will be recorded and the link will be sent out to you afterwards. Now, some people ask, can I watch a Zoom class if I don't have a kit? With Zoom classes, you cannot. You do have to have a kit to participate in Zoom classes. Our virtual classes, which we do 4 times a year, those are pre-recorded videos and we do make them public, but not the Zoom classes. So check the website, KarenBurniston.com, go to the Events tab. You'll find the stores that are making kits. Hope to see you there.